everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hello, I'm here to share with you guys my CVS haul. I was actually pretty excited to get to CVS today. Super excited. So I'm here to share with you guys the deals that I did. And yes, my store has been sold out of like the Colgate toothpaste, the stuff that's been on sale. So I wasn't able to get any of that, which is fine because I have a lot of toothpaste as it is. So I don't know what happened, but my inserts from last week like disappeared, and I'm like, what the heck? Because I was like looking for them, and then I couldn't find them. But thankfully, I had digital coupons to do these deals. So I did the Trust Me. These were 2 for $10. I had the 4 off of 2 digital coupon, or I think there was an insert coupon. But anyways, I had the 3 off of 10 CRT for it. Paid $3, but then you get a $2 extra care buck back, making these $1 or just 50 cents each. Now I was gonna do the Nivea shave at CVS, but I ended up doing it at Walmart, and I'm like, we're gonna get some body wash because like my husband loves the Nivea brand, period. So I'm like, we're gonna get him some body wash. So these were $5.59. I had a 3 off of 2 insert coupon that I used today. I also had a 2 off of 8 men's body wash CRT. There was also a 3 off of 12 women's body wash that was attaching to it too, but I did the 3 off of, or the 2 off of 8 men's. You'd pay $6.18, but then there is a $5 extra care buck that you will receive back, making this just $1.18 or 59 cents each. So had to do that. I ended up getting the whole blends. Now, I was going to try to do the 4 off of 18 hair care CRT that I had, and I was going to combine it with the Garnier Fructis, and then I was just going to get like a Suave, but it ended up becoming like $1 a bottle, and I'm just like, oh, I don't need to do it. So I ended up just doing it this way alone. So these were 2 for $7. I used a 2 off of 2 instant coupon that prints from the red machine. You pay $5 for it, but then you get a $3 extra care buck back, making these just $2 or $1 each. And I think I haven't used whole blends in a while, so I want to use those sometime soon. Here we got the Gillette shave cream. If you guys ever play with these, if you ever have your kids play with these, like, you know, I always see these crafts and stuff, like this is the best way for your kids to play with shaving cream. But just be prepared. It smells like old man. This reminds me of my grandpa's house, and one time the kids were playing with it, and I'm like, it smells like my grandpa's house. So it's got a strong smell, and it lasts days if you guys are doing this. So I think I did it with Easter egg dyeing too. But anyways, these were buy one get one free for $3.79. You buy 2 of them, you'd pay $5.68, but then you get the $4 extra care buck back, making these $1.68 or just 84 cents. I think I said the Nivea was $1.18 and 59 cents. I can't remember if I accidentally said it for that one. We got some pens. I've been really into pens lately. So these were $2.89. You'd pay $2.89 for this, but then you get a $2 extra care buck, making these just 89 cents. So 89 cents, what, 10 pens? Is there 10 in here? Yeah, 10. So decent deal. And then the last deal I got is the deodorant deal. Now, I had a CRT for 3 off of 15. I don't know if it was, I think it was expiring today. So I ended up using that. So I was definitely going to get the Sure. My store doesn't carry Brute. But these were $2. You get the $2. You pay $2. You get the $2 back, making these free. So I had that. And then these were 2 for $6. I printed 2 50-cent off coupons. You'd pay $5 for it, but then you get $3 back, making these $1 each. So I thought there was a rebate for Ibotta, and it must have expired, or it was only for Walgreens and not CVS. But we have the Tom's deodorant. Now this was $7.99. There is a printable coupon, or you can use a $1 off digital. And then I had two $2 off Tom's deodorant CRTs. One was expiring today, another one was brand new today, so I ended up using that, and that's like $3 off. Oh, that's $5 off, so this would have been like $2.99 or something like that, but I wanted to use the 3 off of 15, so altogether these came out to be $15.99 before coupons and everything. The 2 50 cents and the $1 off, and then I had the $2 and $2 for the Toms, and then the 3 off of 15. So I paid $6.99 for these 3 or 4. But you get the $2 back for the shirt, and then you get $3 back for the speed stick. So these come out to be just $1.99 or 49 cents each. So I think, you know, 49 cents for deodorant is a pretty decent deal anyways. But I'm like, 49 cents for this. I know some of you guys really like, you know, some of the natural stuff. So I don't know how natural that is, but it's better than some of the other stuff. Yes! Sorry, my daughter's screaming. My total was $0. Came to be $0. I ended up using $34 worth of extra care bucks, but I only received $21 back. So there's a $13 loss, but that is okay. I'm still happy. All I had to do was pay for tax, but my grand total was $0. So I'm pretty happy with that. Just when I don't get as much back, I'm kind of sad, but that just means I have to do more transactions the next time to not pay so much out of pocket. So just wanted to give you guys my haul. I hope you enjoy it. I'm finally happy that we're finally getting like some decent CRTs, like some of the old school CRTs that we used to get all the time. That's one thing I absolutely love. If you guys haven't already, or make sure if you guys are scanning your card, make sure you scan your card 4 times if you like the paper CRTs. I'm okay with doing digital, but I just like doing the paper ones because I can take pictures and share with you guys what I get. But I always scan my card 4 times, and then I enter my phone number in 4 times. So that's how I get it. And then even with the register, I'm still getting more CRTs printed out. So I just wanted to give you a heads up on that. But give this video a big thumbs up if you haven't already. I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.